Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to invite friends on Rave app. First of all, you can open the Rave application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, make sure that you updated the latest version of Rave app. After updating, you can just simply open the Rave app again, and here you can see this type of interface. Now you can tap on the person's or profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you will just simply search for the friend that you want to edit or invite. I can search this friend, and after this you can just simply tap on the profile or plus icon to add a friend, and if you want to invite, you can just simply send a text of the friend to invite. And this is the way you can invite friends on Rave app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try and using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.